plane eating trees. Let's try to keep you out of the trees today. So apparently that's with the wind right now. That's weird. Where are you going? Are you like hard trimmed to the left? Or is it just the way the wind's going? Got no sense of wind direction right now. Okay, so I'm thinking that's the end of the wind. Yeah, probably could have pulled that one off. This is what makes it scary. Trying to get her down and landed before I get to that tree right there. So, got obstacles to try to get around the trees. Then to not land it. Whoa! Yep. Ah, oh boy. I said no tree or no plane eating trees today, please. Got to bring her down quick somehow or another before I get to that tree. That probably would have been okay if I would have just set her down. Oh! Nose wheel has been taken a licking. Alright, plane eating trees. There's really no good way to try to spin it through those trees. Alright, that would be ideal if I wanted to bring her straight down. If I can do her like a helicopter or not. Yeah, you want to eat that tree, don't you? Whoa!